Hi friends, today I will tell you about the use of 3D printer in everyday life. It's a glass lid with a melted handle. Now I'll unscrew it, measure it, and model a new handle in Fusion 360. Here is another broken handle. Make basic measurements using a caliper. By the way, a great metal caliper. I recommend it. A link in the description. On the website Thingiverse have a large selection of 3D models of such lid handle, but all of them require supports. I believe that in 3D printing it is better to do without them. Let's start modeling. Create a sketch. The surface is better to choose XZ. The imaginary 3D printer desk will be on the surface of XY. Consider this when modeling and exporting the model. To avoid the use of support with 3D printing, I'll do the top part of the handle is flat. It will be more convenient for me to model the part with the base up. I think the optimal angle of overhanging parts of ABS plastic models is not more than 50 degrees. Consider this when creating the model. The program itself has established parallelism between these segments. That's what we need. Set the angle to 40 degrees, so the overhang will be 50. Draw the arc so that the construction line is tangent. The corresponding icon appears. Let's make this line tangent to the arc. As a result, the surface will be smoother and more harmonious. The screw hole is 4 mm. In the slicer, the number of top and bottom layers are usually set for 8 layers, 0.2 mm. On one of the lid has been the influx of a thickness of 0.7 mm. Set the size of the recess 3 mm. This will be enough. All basic dimensions are defined, and now you can move on to the next step. We can change the design as we want within the created bindings. Now let's use the tool Revolve. If you don't like the design, you can change the sketch. The final option I have left like this. Then export 3D model to STL file. Write the name and save. This is the 3D model of a washer. Now open the model in the slicer. If you orient it correctly, it will immediately fall as it should, that is, the top flat part on the table. If not, turn it around. I will print from ABS plastic. The nozzle 250 degrees, the table 100, a speed of 50 mm per second. Support is not needed. Fill percentage can be supplied 10 but better 25. Layer height 0.2 mm. The walls can be 2 pieces but better 3. The top and bottom layers of 4 pieces. Now the first version of the handle is being printed. Printed 2 handles of different size and shape and 2 washers. It was great. Link to the model page will live in the description of the video. Fasten the handle on the lid and check the grip. It is quite convenient to take. The handle does not slip out of hands. Appearance is also good. As a result, such printed products may well serve as a replacement for broken ones. Perhaps this is all. I will be glad if this video was useful for you. See you in the next video. Good luck. Bye.